Okay, here's a constant composition problem that talks about sodium fluoride. And so it says the mass ratio to sodium of sodium and fluorine in sodium fluoride is 1.21 to 1. A sample of sodium fluoride produces 138 grams of sodium upon decomposition. How much fluorine must also be produced in that same decomposition? Well, what does the law of constant composition tell us? It tells us for sodium fluoride, the formula is always one sodium and one fluorine. And so that means that the mass of sodium divided by the mass of fluorine in any sample of sodium fluoride has to equal the constant. And in this case, the constant is 121 or 121 over 1. If we want to say it's 121 to 1, 1.21 to 1. So in order to solve this, we just plug in the numbers that we know and solve for the one we don't. So we know that there's 138 grams of sodium in the decomposition. We want to figure out how much fluorine, so X. And so we know that that equals 1.21 over 1. So what we need to do is we just need to use algebra to rearrange. 138 grams equals 1.21 times X. And remember that X equals the mass of fluorine in this case. I got rid of the 1 because anything divided by 1 is itself. So that cancels itself out. And so what do we get? We get X equals 114 grams. And so we know that it's 114 grams of fluorine as the answer, because when I take 138 and I divide it by 114, I get 1.21. So that's consistent with the law of constant composition. Okay.